Local produce to me is the coffee from Africa, plus the milk from Wales to make the cappuccinos, the sugar and the hot chocolate, all fair trade.
Wow, that's
what we do.
Sort, isn't it?
Yeah, we push in fair trade locally.
And how difficult is it to kind of convince people, if you like, because coffee obviously can't be grown in this country, but there's a local element to it, you know?
I buy the raw product directly from the farmers. When I write the checks out, I pay the farmer.
Wow.
That raw product comes to us. We then process it, blend it, roast it, and grind it fresh to order. The coffee in front of us now was roasted day before yesterday.
So most of the work actually is done in Wales.
Welsh coffee.
Yeah. And do you think there's a possibility, you know, with climate change and everything, there'll be a time when we actually grow coffee in this country?
Yeah, along with the coconut groves and the bananas, why not?
It gives you an insight into what all the farmers markets and food fairs, what goes into it. And it's a good opportunity to give the general public a window on all the local produce that we have in Wales and all the excellent produce we have in Wales, not just lamb, beef, pork, but game, venison, rabbits and all that type of produce.